Hello students, today we are here with our worksheet number 60, class 10th, subject science. Today we discuss about the atmospheric refraction. What is the atmospheric refraction, student? Refraction of the light due to the different layer of the atmosphere. Whenever there is a refraction due to the different layer of the atmosphere, that is called atmospheric refraction. Why there are different layer of atmosphere? Because there are a large number of gases, dust particle, dirt and vapors are present in the atmosphere, and due to the presence of all these things there is a instability in our atmosphere, and due to this instability, students, refraction in atmosphere occur, and that is called atmospheric refraction. First of all, today we discuss about the twinkling of star. Why the stars are appearing to twinkle? Why you notice in the sky at the night time that stars are twinkle? So it is all due to the atmospheric refraction of light. When the starlight entering the atmosphere, it undergo refraction continuously before it reaches the earth, and when the earth atmosphere gradually increases from outside toward the surface of the earth, that light from the star enter the atmosphere bends towards the normal. So students, whenever the starlight enter in the atmosphere, it continuously got refracted and bent towards the normal. And finally, as we know that the air in the earth atmosphere is not static state, it is very dynamic. Some breeze keep blowing at the certain altitude. Due to this, density keep on changing, and due to the changing in the density, student, the stars appear flickering or twinkling. Why? First, apparent shift in the position of star. Second, change in the amount of the light from the star reaching the observer. Here you see the diagram also, student. An observer see an apparent position upward and the actual position of the star downward. And due to this change in the position of the star at the different altitude, due to the density changes of the air, is called refraction, atmospheric refraction, and star appear as twinkling or flickering. Next question, very important here. Why the planets do not twinkle? Students, stars appear twinkle, but planets don't twinkle. Why? Because students, planets are comparatively nearer to the earth, and the average amount of light of the planets remain same. And why the stars twinkle? First, stars are very far away from us. They are point source. Second, due to the atmospheric refraction, there is a difference between actual and apparent position. So, stars appear as to be twinkle. Next, why sunrise early and late sunset? So, student, there is similar reason due to the atmospheric refraction. Next phenomena is Tyndall effect. What is Tyndall effect? Whenever light passes through the colloid, its paths become visible. So student, light when passes through the colloid, then the particle of colloid scatter the light, and this is called the Tyndall effect. And what is the scattering? Scattering means spreading of the light in different direction by the colloid particle. You can also see the pictures given on your right hand side. For example, canopy of the forest. Do you observe the canopy? Canopy means a dense forest with a large number of trees. In some movies or in some your tour to the zoo, trip to any foresty region, you observe that whenever there is a large number of the trees, then in the morning the sunlight came and it scatter due to the colloid particle, and this scattering you observe on the floor of the forest. And also you can see in the picture in our house, whenever in early morning there is a sunlight comes from the window and it gets scattered on the room floor or our bed, then it is called the scattering of light, and that is Tyndall effect. Students, scattering depend upon the wavelength and the size of the particle. Okay. Next is blue color of the sky. Why sky appear as blue? The upper atmosphere of the earth contain gases and small water vapors, and due to these small size they scatter the light of shorter wavelength, and shorter wavelength is of which color? Blue. So our sky appears blue. Next, during sunrise and sunset, why sun appears red? Because students, sun have to travel a long distance around horizon, and in the atmosphere longer, and the total amount is blue light. So totally blue light scatter here, and red is very less scatter, so sun appear red. Why sun scatter very less red color? Because red color has very large wavelength. So we notice here, if wavelength is large, then scattering is less. Okay. Now do the exercise. First, the red light scatter dash. Red light scatter very less. So signboards are made up of red color. Second, give two examples of Tyndall effect. So first example, canopy of the forest. Second example, window of a home. Okay. Next, why do clouds appear white? So student, why do clouds appear white? And why? Fourth is the stars appear twinkling because. So this is your fourth answer. And third one is why the clouds appear white. So this is your answer, why the clouds are white, because light from the sun is white. As the light passes through the cloud, it interacts with the water droplets, and water droplets, they are very big, exist in the sky. When the sunlight scattered much by the water droplets. So student, note down the answer here, why the clouds appear white. Sunlight is scattered much larger by the water droplets, and these scatter all color almost equally. When the all colors are scattered equally, then clouds appear white. Okay, this is the answer of your third question, why the clouds appear white. I think this is clear up to you. Now back to our worksheet. So if you understand the worksheet and today's topic atmospheric refraction easily, then like with your friend circle, subscribe our channel Learning Light. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.